Hey everyone, my name is Eder. I'm with Nokia and I'm heading embedded wireless, and we are building Nokia drone networks. We are here at Intergeo 2025 with Nokia drone networks again. Nokia drone networks, a fully autonomous 4G, 5G connected drone in a box solution, which is really able to reduce the manual labor and the people that are required on site if you want to do remote surveillance or LiDAR scans. The Nokia drone network's electric drone is integrated with YellowScan's Surveyor Ultra. I think one of the benefits of the Surveyor Ultra is the very high level of performance in combination with a highly optimized weight. As we know, payload size is something that is potentially a restriction with drones. For Nokia drone networks, we can adopt to a payload weight of up to 3 kilograms. And from that perspective, in terms of weight, thrust, and the overall architecture, plus the integration with the remote capability, so not pressing the yellow button on site, but actually pressing the yellow button remotely through a 4G, 5G connectivity, because you have no people on site, is something that has proven really well. In terms of use cases, I think construction, utilities, and agriculture use cases are nowadays the predominant use cases where we can bring together the strength of Nokia drone networks, BVLOS system, BVLOS drone in a box system, and at the same time the efficiency and the remote control capability of the Surveyor Ultra. In general, I must say that every day, every month, we talk with the customer about YellowScan's portfolio and the Surveyor Ultra. We discover more and more use cases, and that is really something which is impressive and which highlights how much LiDAR scanning starts to supersede the classical photogrammetry use cases.